our services offering, we have a group of technicians and engineers that are devoted to 24/7 service and support. We have a portal that the customer can go into. They can get information on any machines we've installed for them. They can enter a ticket and get quick service. We have guys that are ready to go out and do, on-site troubleshooting, downline type help. We've got guys that do annual service contracts. So we sign up a customer and we set a schedule for their equipment that they need maintained, and we go on site every so often with some cadence, and we make sure the equipment's operating as necessary. We give them a report of where it is, what we've done. With the service offering, we'll go and do preventative maintenance. If a robot needs grease every 3 years, we'll make sure that the customer knows that, and we can do that as part of the service call. It's a way to make sure that our customers are able to continue to stay up and running.